Residents of a corporate area community have been left with many questions and few answers this evening after two little girls left in the care of their brother were found dead in their St. Andrew apartment this morning. As the police investigate what could have led to the little girls' death, they are now questioning the girls' teenage brother and their aunt. TVJ's Jamaica Mitchell reports.
A scene of crime tape and police investigators. Clear indications that something had gone wrong in the Washington Court apartment complex located off Washington Boulevard in the Kingston 20 community Saturday morning.
Two toddlers who reside at this address, they were rushed to the Bustamante Hospital this morning where they were pronounced dead.
The two girls have been identified as 5-year-old Roderick King and 4-year-old Rodrika King. It's reported that shortly after 2 Friday afternoon, the mother of the two girls left them in the care of her son to conduct business in Oteria, St. Anne. However, about 4 Saturday morning, she was awoken by her 15-year-old son, who reported that the little girls were motionless and bleeding from their nostrils and mouths. Doctors at the hospital conducted a preliminary examination of the bodies and told investigators that the injuries seen on the children were consistent with strangulation. Neighbors are in shock.
They are two nice little girls, and that's all I can say about them. Sometimes I see them by the security post, playing with the other children. It is very sad. It's Child Month, and we're losing our children like that.
Investigators are now treating the incident as an homicide.
We have some persons at the office being presently interviewed. Statements will be recorded.
Meanwhile, head of the Criminal Investigation Branch, Acting Deputy Commissioner Elan Powell, told TVJ News that the teenage boy is not considered a suspect at this time.
We haven't determined exactly what happened yet. We're in the process of doing that. And until we are very clear as to what happened, we couldn't move to that stage. But one thing I would say is that an investigation has been launched, and we're doing everything that is possible to get to the bottom of this. The doctors suspect fault there. We suspected it when we got there, and the doctors are actually confirming our suspicion, and only the postmortem will clearly determine what happened. But as of now, we are suspecting that something went amiss.
Jamaica Mitchell, TVJ News.